How to play multiplayer in Zenless Zone Zero. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can play multiplayer in Zenless Zone Zero. So let's jump straight into it. If you're ready to take your Zenless Zone Zero experience to the next level, multiplayer is where the real fun begins. The game offers both cooperative and competitive modes, but most unlock only after you've made progress in the main story. A major hotspot for multiplayer action is the Godfinger arcade on 6th Street. Here you can jump into mini games like Snake Duel Clash, a 2v2 battle that tests your reflexes and strategy, or Soul Hound's Roman 3 group hunt, where you and your friends race to dig through blocks and reach the deepest floor first. Inviting friends is simple, just tap the plus icon in the minigame menu and you're good to go. For players looking for high stakes action, Notorious Hunt offers intense boss battles designed for co op play with two other players. Keep in mind that this mode is region locked, so teaming up requires your friends to be in the same region as your account. Overall, Zenless Zone Zero's multiplayer combines fast paced combat, strategic teamwork, and a dash of friendly competition, making every session thrilling and full of surprises. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.